Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this time our topic is how to solve exponential equation. But before we immerse ourselves to some of the problems involving exponential equation, let me bring you the description or the background of what is meant by exponential equation. So an exponential equation is an equation that has a variable in its exponent. I'll give you an example of exponential equation. So 3 raised to the power of x is equals to 81. Okay, so this is an example of exponential equation. Okay, so let us discuss the types of exponential equation. So what are the types of exponential equation? Okay, so the first type of exponential equation is an equation with the same basis on both sides. So what is the example of these equations with the same basis on both sides? Okay, so I'll give you an example. So let's say I have 4 to the power of x is equals to 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so that is an example of exponential equations with the same basis on both sides. Okay, so the second type of exponential equation is an equation with different bases that can be made the same. So what is the example of these equations with different bases that can be made the same? So I'll give you an example. So 4 to the power of x is equals to 16. Okay, so it has different bases, but we can make this the same. Let's continue. So x to the power of x equals to 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so as you can see from an equations with different bases, it has now similar bases. Okay, so the third type of exponential equation is an equation with different bases that cannot be made the same. So I'll give you an example. So 4 to the power of x is equals to 15. Okay, so as you can see, this exponential equation with different bases cannot be made the same. So if this is the case, we will apply the concept of logarithm. Okay, so let's go to the solving of exponential equation. Okay, so expect that I will give you the different problems on exponential equation so that you will be familiarized on how to solve the different exponential equation. Okay, so let us start with this equation. 5 raised to the power of x is equals to 5 raised to the power of 3. So as you can see, it has similar bases. So if we have similar bases on our exponential equations, we will apply the property of equality, in which it says that when the bases are equal, the exponent is also equal. So we can drop 5 and have the value of x. So we'll just copy value of x, which is equals to 3. Okay, so we can check. So 5 raised to the power of 3 as our value of x, and at the right also 5 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so we can simplify this. So 5 times 5, that is 25, times 5 is 125. Okay, similar to the right, 5 times 5, that is 25, times 5, that is 125. Okay, so that is how to solve the exponential equation. Okay, so what about this equation? You can see it has no similar bases, but we can make this similar. Okay, I'll just write 5 to the power of x So 25 can be made similar to the left base, which is 5. So this is 5, the exponent of 3. Okay, as you can see, we have now similar bases. So if we have similar base, then drop the base and copy the exponent or solve the value of x. So x is equals to 3. So we can also check this the equation. Check. Okay, so we have 5 to the power of 3 equals to 125. So 5 times 5, that is 25 times 5 equals to 125. That is equals to 125. Okay, so that is how to solve the exponential equation. Okay, so let's go to another problem on exponential equation. So as you can see in this equation, it has no similar base. Okay, so this is how to solve this exponential equation. So our base is 7, the power of y plus 1. So at the right, we can make this also 7 to the power of 3 multiplied to the power also, or the exponent of y. So as you can see, we have now similar base, so we can drop 7 and copy the exponent. Plus 1, y plus 1 is equals to 3y. Okay, so y transpose this 3y to the left, it becomes negative 3y. So this 1 will also transpose to the right, it becomes negative 1. Then combine like terms, this is negative 2y equals to negative 1. Then divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2. So our y, let's write it here. Our y is equals to positive. Oh, this is negative 2. Okay. So our y is now equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so that is our value of y. Okay, so what about this exponential equation? So 64 can be make this also as similar to the right, 8 raised to the power of x minus 2. So we can make this 8 to the power of 2 equals to 8 to the power of x minus 2. Okay, so we can drop now the base, which is 8. So 2 equals to x minus 2. Okay, so we can transpose this negative 2 to the left. It becomes now positive 2 plus 2 is equals to x. So 2 plus 2, that is 4 equals to x. So our x is equals to 4. Okay, so next, what about this exponential equation? 256 is equals to 4 raised to the power of x minus 5. So this is an example of exponential equations with different bases, but we can make this similar. Okay, so this is how. So our base, so make this our base 2 to the power of 8 is equals to 2 to the power of 2 multiplied to x minus 5. Okay, so as you can see, we have now similar bases, which is 2. So we can drop 2. Okay, copy the exponent 8. This equals to 2 will be multiplied to x minus 5. Okay, copy 8. Then, using this distributive property, let us multiply 2 to x and negative 5. So this becomes 2x equals negative 10 rather. Negative 10. Okay. Then, copy 8. Transpose this negative 10 to the left. It becomes positive 10. Then equals to 2x. Then add 8 plus 10, that is 18, equals to 2x. Then to find the value of x, let us divide both sides by 2. 2, then cancel 2. So what is left is x equals to 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Okay, so that is how to solve an exponential equations with different bases, but we can make it the same. Okay, so what about this exponential equation? As you can see, we have similar bases, which is 5. So we can drop 5. Okay, so let us just follow the property of inequality, that it says that if the bases are equal, the exponent is also equal. Okay, so write the exponent 2x equals to 3x plus 2. Okay, so write 2x, then transpose this 3x to the left, so it becomes negative 3x equals to 2. Then combine like terms, 2x minus 3x, that is negative x equals to 2. Then divide both sides by negative 1. Negative 1. So our x is equals to negative 2. Okay, so that is how to solve an exponential equation. Okay, so next, what about this exponential equation? Okay, so as you can see, it has also have no similar bases. Okay, but we can make this similar. Okay, this is how 3 to the power of 2x equals to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so as you can see, we have now similar base. So we can drop 3 to our base and copy the exponent 2x equals to 4. Then to find the value of x, we'll just divide this both sides by 2. So you can cancel 2. So our x is now equals to 2. Okay, so as simple as that. Okay, so what about this exponential equation? Okay, so we can make also this their bases the same. So we can write 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by its original power, which is 2x. And 125 can also make 5 as our base to the power of 3. Okay, so we can now drop the base 5. So what is left is 2x, 2 multiplied by 2x is equals to 3. So multiplied 2 to 2x, that is 4x equals to 3. Then divide both sides by 4. So we can cancel this 4. So our now x is equals to 3 over 4. Okay, so that's it. That is how to solve the exponential equations with same base. So I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Thank you for watching.